Hey guys, I know it's literally been a while since I've recorded a video. I don't have my camera right now, and I'm recording on my probably low quality iPhone 8, not Plus, just a regular iPhone 8. Then there's me recording in my room because I had nowhere else to record. But yeah, I know I haven't made a video in a while. It's been a good couple months, and I was trying to figure out what kind of content I could make for you guys so that my channel can get a little bit more like popping and moving just a little bit. I've been wanting to make a video once a week, and I know I've said that way in the past, and it's just flew over my head, and I'm really trying to figure out how this is gonna work out for me. I did plan out a few videos that I'm gonna produce in the next 4 weeks. I will try, and I promise I will try to have a video for you guys once a week. I want to upload one every Monday. I know a lot of YouTubers do, like, they upload one every Friday, but we'll see. I'm still trying to plan that out and what I want to do. I know my channel isn't that big. I only have, last time I checked, I only had like 30 something subscribers. Now I'm at like 138, which I don't know how it spiked up. I haven't made a video in a long time, but here I am making another one for you guys. I didn't disappear off the face of the earth. I'm here right now recording a video. I'm always trying to find something to record, which is why I made a plan. But anyways, enough of me blabbering. Here is a lovely video for Carven Exhaust that I put together. Shout out to you guys. Go check out their YouTube, their IGTV, their Instagram. I'll put the name down below so you guys can go check them out. Go check out their videos too. So without further ado, here is the Carven Exhaust video, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think of the new sound of my car down below. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah.
Alright, you guys ready? Because we're about to head up to Carven Exhaust right now to get a new exhaust for our car. So it's gonna be a whole new axle bag. So we're gonna do a little driving up there. What's up? What's up? Nice.
Oh, hi. How are you? I have someone else finally recording for me, but we're here at Carven Exhaust up in somewhere in Temecula. Not
Corona.
quite sure, but this is 55 miles away and took us an hour to get here, so that's all I know.
I think it's this one. Oh my god, look at the tips.
It's probably mine. I gotta make a
Thank you,
video
man.
on it.
Absolutely. Whatever I can do to help, just let me know.
Stress with the sauce.
For today. I hope you guys really did enjoy it. I try to get the best sound clips as I can, but I don't know if I mentioned in the intro somewhere, but I do want to upgrade my camera microphone quality, and I do want to get like a stabilizer. I forget what it's called. Shoot. A gimbal. It's such a weird name, but I want to improve the quality of my videos and of course my edits. I know my edits are kind of like janky right now, but I do want to work on that, so hopefully by December I do want to save up and upgrade a little bit of it. Welcome to my lovely interruption video, okay? So when I mean I need to find a new camera, I mean I need to find something where the screen flips so I can see what I look like, because I look like a potato every time I record, and I'm telling myself that, like, dude, I literally do not look this ugly. Like, my face just looks like I have a double chin, and everything just looks terrible. Yeah, that would be nice. And this potato face thing, whatever it is, has to stop. So anyways, on to the next clip or whatever this is. So if you guys have any good setup for me, just let me know down below, or just DM me on Instagram. I'll put that right here. For my next couple videos, I do have a Q&A going on, a Subi update that's going up as well, and I do have, I guess, like a little bit like of a life update, because there's a lot that's going on as to why I'm not making a lot of videos, and I know I'm having like 10 million reasons as to why there's no videos going up, but I've just been really busy. I'm still trying to find the rhythm of producing all these videos and what kind of content, but I do want to make a little bit more of like a personal content so that I can, get closer to you guys. I think it's really important for me to build a relationship with all my subscribers, because I will be doing giveaways in the future. I do want my channel to grow. I want it to grow bigger, and I know I'm only at 138. Last time I checked, I was at like 34 or something like that, but I do want to get there someday. I just have to find my rhythm, so I apologize for not making any videos. I didn't disappear off the face of the earth. I am here in my lovely room recording because I have nowhere else to record. But thank you guys so much for watching. I miss you guys a lot. Again, I know I only have 138, but you guys are all family to me, and thank you for sticking with me and this channel and not
unsubscribing.
So I will see you guys soon. Also, I am doing a giveaway, and I hope this video is not too long, but I am doing a giveaway since I did reach 2K followers on my Instagram. So I will put a flyer and I'll put it somewhere in the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, is my shit done? Over here fucking off. Sorry.